Namaste to all dear warriors and students. Here I am with a new video relating to income tax 2 for specially for tax procedures and practices. Tax procedures and practices BCom second semester, right? For them this might not be relating to Usmania University, but similar type will be asked for you also. So just don't bother about the university, it will be useful for you also. Just see here is one previous exam question paper, similar type will come to you also. That is why I am making this video, so that it will be useful for you all. See, short questions, you need to write any 5 here. So indexed cost of acquisition, this you can find from capital gain playlist is there. Income tax 2 playlist is there, income tax 2 playlist is there. In that you can find the theory and problems relating to capital gain and income from other source chapter. So this, what are the provisions regarding the gift received by an individual, this also IFOS income from other sources question, so you can find it from there. Next, calculate total income and total taxable income from the following information for the assessment year. Here it is 17-18 is there, you may get it as 22 and 23, similar type. See, you need to make a total income format. Okay, computation of total income of so and so person बोल के लिख के एक इनर कॉलम एक अमाउंट का आउटर कॉलम लिख देना. Income from salary they said means already computed, so income from salary you will write first 2,40,000 a year. Then income from house property, next 3 lakhs you will write. Then loss from business is there, business loss can be set off against other heads of income. So आपके पास ये बिजनेस जो लॉस है ना, करंट ईयर लॉस है, तो 1,40,000 business loss can be set off from other heads of income other than salary. सैलरी छोड़ के बाकी सब में से निकाल सकते हैं आप 1,40,000. सो आपके पास यहाँ पे इनकम फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन 60,000 इज देयर. फर्स्ट डिडक्ट फ्रॉम दैट बिकॉज दिस इज स्पेशल इनकम टैक्सेबल एट डायरेक्टली 20%. तो ये इनकम में से ये 40,000 पहले कम कर दो, 1,40,000 में से 60 निकाल दो. Then remaining you can take it from income from house property, okay, or short term capital gain, any other heads. Okay, short term capital gain में से आप बाकी अमाउंट निकाल सकते. 60,000 यहाँ पे माइनस कर दिए तो it will be 80,000. that 80,000 loss of business can be deducted from अदर हेड्स. मैंने हाउस प्रॉपर्टी तो पूरा लिख दिए, तो इनकम फ्रॉम शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन में से और एक 60,000 निकाल देता हूँ. सो नेक्स्ट हेडिंग विल बी शॉर्ट टर्म, ये दो मिला के 1,20,000. देन इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स IFOS. ओके, इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स में क्या करना पड़ेगा, आउट ऑफ 1,00,000 रुपीज़ रिमेनिंग 20,000 loss if deducted, remaining it will be 80,000. this is how you need to do and take the total over there. Okay, I'll try to make a video relating to it so that you can do it. Tax deducted at source, notice of demand. This is Mahatma Gandhi University question paper, so only they gave 5 questions, but Usmania University will give 8 questions. I'll find the question paper relating to it and upload. Next, from the from the previous questions, Sri Ram has got the following assets in his business. ये और एक कैपिटल गेन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज ऑल्सो कैपिटल गेन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. देन इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन, here it is, and another one from income from other sources. During the previous year, Gopi started taxable income. Calculate tax liability. ये टोटल इनकम सेट ऑफ कैरी फॉरवर्ड से है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ टोटल इनकम सेट ऑफ कैरी फॉरवर्ड से है. नेक्स्ट, सबमिट द पर्टिकुलर्स रिलेटिंग टू, दिस इज रिलेटिंग टू टैक्स लाइबिलिटी एंड टोटल इनकम इंक्लूडिंग डिडक्शन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज ऑल्सो टोटल इनकम क्वेश्चन. एंड लास्ट यूनिट, directly theory questions will come from here. What is mean by term assessment? How many types of assessment are there? Explain the methods of filing the return. Okay, these are the theory questions from this unit. Hope this will be useful for you all.